Electrical aluminum bar is mainly used in high and low voltage electrical appliances, switch contacts, distribution equipment, bus groove and other electrical engineering. A conductive bus has the advantages of low resistivity, large bending, etc. We provide 1060, 1070, 6061, 6101, 6063 and so on. We can manufacture aluminum bus bar depends on your specific needs. The company has built 30,000 square meters of plant, 8 modern production lines and enterprise technology center. The annual production capacity of 15,000 tons. In quality area established to ensure that each product is delivered to equivalent quality customers by performing an effective audit during the period from raw material to final product. 1060 aluminum bus bar is a kind of degree duralumin, can be strengthened by heat treatment. In the annealing, quenching and hot state plasticity is medium. Spot welding is good. 1060 aluminum bus bar with gas welding and argon arc welding aluminum tube has the tendency to form into crystalline crack. 1060 is a pure aluminum bus bar formed by adding a small amount of copper element. The aluminum row has excellent forming characteristics, high corrosion resistance, good weldability and electrical conductivity. 1060 pure aluminum bus bar is widely used in automobile, ship, aviation, electrical appliances, agriculture, electromechanical, household and other industries. 6061 is a cold-treated aluminum forging product suitable for applications requiring high resistance to corrosion and oxidation. Good usability, easy coating, good processing,